for the cutting out the center, it really depends on what you have and what you feel comfortable with. I know my videos are geared towards beginners, so I'm gonna try to give you two options. If you want to use a jigsaw, because a lot of people are pretty comfortable with it, you can definitely go slow, take your time. Those don't cut as straight as a circular saw, but some people prefer this. Go slow and you'll be fine. But to put it in there first, you can just use a drill bit, put it in the center where it's at, go through, and then you just kind of stick the blade through and then just go slow, cutting out the whole inside center. If you want, what I'm gonna do right now, slowly lower it down to the line I want and cut straight, and then come back into the other side, and then I'll insert the jigsaw to kind of get the little corners. Whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever you feel safest to you. You probably want to clamp it down when you're cutting it. Clamps are the best way to go.